Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop TALABAT push notifications. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the TALABAT app and then come here to the bottom right and click on account right here, and this will open up this page. What I need you to do is come here to the top right and click on this gear cog. This gear cog will take you to your settings, and then here you'll see notifications. As you can see, it is currently enabled. Go ahead and just tap on this and then click here on settings. Now from here you will be redirected to this page. Click here on notifications, and to basically stop TALABAT push notifications, what you want to do is go ahead and toggle this one off. This one, it says appear as a banner at the top of the screen. So if you toggle this one off, this will stop the push notifications. If you want, you can also toggle it off entirely, as you can see right there. But that is how to stop TALABAT push notifications.